check it out. I picked this up today at the thrift store. A little more than I want to pay, but you don't see these Lasko full size Lasko 3733s anymore. I mean, they used to be everywhere, and now they're becoming hard to come by. I mean, yeah, it's a later model with the tuna. Well, yeah, it does have a tuna cam motor and the flower pedal blades, but it's still a full-size motor. Fan, body. I'm sorry, I can't think straight right now, and everything's falling apart. Now, whatever. See what I mean? So, yeah. And for the record, I did have something similar to this some years ago, where I had a fresh and brand new 99 3733 with the D butter knife blades and a Galaxy 4733, which was the first year of the Galaxies, with the reintroduction of the Galaxies in 2004. So, if I find it, I'll post a link to that video. So yeah, let's just take a look at this. And as for what I paid for, yeah, a little more than I wanted to, but like I said, you don't see them anymore. And home decor, more like home appliance. It has both the feet, so that's actually a bonus. Now look at that tuna cam motor. And this is also the last of the line because the side don't have holes for a stand like this 99 does. Let's look at the informations if I can. Stand by. There we go. Type 1, 120 volts, 1.1 amps, 60 hertz. And somewhere there's the '0304. So yeah, this might have been the last year or two before they became ETL approved. So that's that. And here's another interesting factoid, or something that I didn't even notice. First year for the fused plug, but it's not blue. It's not, is it polarized? Yeah, it's polarized, but it's not blue, so, yeah. A lot of firsts with this. Or last, if you want to call it that. So I guess we're ready. We're going to plug it up, and we're going to give it a go. So we're ready. Here's how. And by the way, I did not try this out, so. I don't have my tester with me. Chini, coco pop, chini, pop. I don't care what you say, I kind of like my fans to vibrate a little bit. Yeah, it's going to rack up the bearings, but that's just me. Nope. Alright, it's supposed to be 1.1 amps, so here we go with high. $118, very inefficient. 1.03 amps, okay, that's good. Medium. $7,600 at 92 watts. Oh. $62 watts running at a little over half an amp. Okay. Oh, good thing those feet were there, because this thing would have made a nasty fall, so. And check spin out time again. Cool. Well, I kind of test the fact that this 3733 from 2003, 2004 is a Lasko full size, because for comparison purposes, I got this modern 3733 in blue, and for the record, it may be a B203 something, but I'm calling it a 3733 in blue. And if you notice, they've gotten shorter. And this is the same design they've used since 2005, so yeah. But the depth is still the same. The width, yeah. Yeah. Alright, that's going to do it for this video of this 2003-2004 Galaxy Lasko 3733 that I picked up today. And we have reason to believe this is the last year for this design, because you just saw the previous clip where I took that 3733 in blue and compared it. So, and that's the same design that they've been using for almost 20 years. So, Lasko should probably design them, but by then it wouldn't really be a box fan, would it? But who knows? And yeah, this has a tuna can motor, but it's probably about as quality designed as this one from '99. So, I mean, they're both the same. They're both the same. Except this one's kind of Marco and this one's got tuna. So, you figure it out. So, till next time, whatever it is, I'm Eskie. Thank you for watching. Come on, so.